If you're tired of bulky, unreliable keychains, the Lockable Dual Carabiner S-Biner is a smart upgrade. This sleek, S-shaped stainless steel carabiner features 2 gates, each with its own slider lock, giving you a secure way to clip and organize your essentials. It's perfect for anyone who wants both security and convenience in one compact design. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this S-Biner is built to last. The solid construction combined with plastic slide locks on each gate ensures durability without adding unnecessary weight. You can choose from 3 sizes, each rated for specific weight capacities. Size number 2 holds up to 10 pounds. Size number 3 supports 25 pounds. And size number 4 can handle a hefty 75 pounds. This means you get strength tailored to your needs. What sets this carabiner apart is its independent locking gates. You can lock your keys on one side, keeping them safe, while leaving the other side unlocked for quick attachment to your backpack, belt loop, or pocket. This feature offers unmatched versatility, letting you secure your valuables without fumbling or detaching everything else. Users rave about the S-Biner's reliability. One customer shared how it perfectly secures keys inside a designer bag and even holds a hanging Bose speaker on a golf cart during vacation. Its feather-light design makes it easy to carry, and the locking mechanism guarantees your items won't accidentally slip free, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. This carabiner isn't just for keys. It's great for securing double zippers on luggage or clipping gear on the go. Just remember, it's not designed for climbing or any situation where failure could cause injury. Instead, it excels as a dependable everyday tool for keeping your valuables safe and accessible. If you want a slim, strong, and versatile way to organize your keys and gear, this Lockable Dual Carabiner S-Biner is worth a look. It combines durable materials with thoughtful design to make your daily carry simpler and more secure. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your keychain game. Don't settle for anything less than reliable security for your essentials. With its independent locks, solid stainless steel build, and practical size options, the S-Biner offers what you need for peace of mind on the move. Secure your keys and gear with confidence. This carabiner is built to hold tight.